Today, February 11th, 2025, we join the global celebration of the International Day of Women and Girls in Science. At Pico, we believe this occasion is truly worth celebrating, as it highlights the vital contributions of women and girls in shaping the future of science.
Throughout history, countless remarkable women have trailblazed in STEM, pushing boundaries and making extraordinary advancements.
These are just a few of the remarkable women from over the years who've impacted the world of science.
Edith Clark was a prominent engineer in the early 20th century. In 1919, she was the first woman in the United States to gain a degree in engineering at MIT. Edith Clark developed the Clark calculator, which vastly simplified power electronics calculations, and it's still used all over the world today.
In 1979, Lynn Conway revolutionised chip design with her invention of dimensionless scalable design rules. She later joined the University of Michigan as a professor of electrical engineering and computer science, also serving as Associate Dean of Engineering.
Beatrice Schilling in the early 1940s designed a critical adaptation to the Merlin aircraft engine carburetor. This was used in the Second World War and gave the RAF pilots a critical advantage. Beatrice remains a celebrated aeronautical engineer.
We're incredibly proud to celebrate the remarkable women in STEM. At Pico, we're fortunate to have several outstanding women shaping our workforce and driving our success. Their talent, dedication and influence inspire us every day, and we couldn't be prouder to be working alongside them.
When I was younger, I was always more into toy trains and cars, and only really played with dolls just to see how well they parachuted out of my bedroom window. A school careers consultant suggested that I looked into engineering, and that led me to applying for an apprenticeship, which I successfully secured. And 22 years on, I'm here at Pico working as a senior PCB engineer doing what I love.
Hi, I'm Rachel. I'm an electronics technician at Pico. I can start off my day using 3D software, or then I can end it on populating boards. It's just so different from just regular office work.
I'm the production manager here at Pico. I find it really cool that I'm involved in products right from the beginning of the project, from the design stage right through to watching the products being manufactured. Seeing them being switched on for the first time and working is really interesting.
I'm a software test engineer at Pico Technology. There's so many cool things about PicoScope, but the coolest and the most fun thing I've learned and done on PicoScope software is the waveform annotation. A year and a half ago, I found this job in the engineering industry, and I was like, oh, that would be cool to go into engineering, and I was excited about it.
I'm a software development engineer at Pico, and since joining over a year ago, I have worked on a number of driver features for the new PicoScope. I was also involved in the 2 successful product launches this year.
I'm the engineering editor here at Pico. Before that, I was a hardware development engineer, also at Pico. I think my biggest achievement has been working on the 6428 E-D project, which I was on right from the feasibility stage all the way through to release. There's a product out there that I worked on that people can buy, and things that I made are in it.
Today, on the International Day of Women and Girls in Science, we celebrate not only the pioneers of the past, but also the incredible women of the present who continue to shape the future of STEM.
Here's to breaking barriers, inspiring the next generation, and celebrating the remarkable contribution of women in technology.
We support women in STEM.